Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we will learn to compile the data from different workbooks into a master workbook. Okay, so here I am not going to write any complex VBA coding. We will simply use the Power Query option inbuilt in Excel. Okay, so for using this option, what we will do is we will go to Data tab, the data ribbon, and then we have this particular option Get Data. You will expand this, and here from file you will just simply choose from folder. Okay, this dialog box has appeared, so you will need to choose that particular option where your multiple files have been kept. Okay, so here I have this sales folder, and it has some multiple files. I need to compile the data from this folder into my workbook, so I will simply hit open. It will establish a connection from that folder to this Excel. Okay. So I have these four files there: Bangalore, Chandigarh, Dehradun, and Gurgaon. I will simply come here, combine. I will expand this and I will choose this particular option, combine and transform data. Okay. So it is now, you know, so your this window will appear. You just need to click on parameter and hit OK. So now it is evaluating the query, and Power Query Editor option will appear. So this is the Power Query Editor. Okay. Here we will do some transformation. So, when you will come here, you will just need to expand this particular option, which is data. Expand it and hit OK. Once you have done it, so there are some unwanted columns. Okay. We need to remove them first. So I do not need this. I will simply means I don't need this name as well. Okay. I will just simply right click and remove columns. Okay. Now, if you will have a look here, it says data column 1, data column 2, data column 3. Actually, these are not my columns. Store name, city, region, SAP name, plastic. So these are my columns. So what I will do is I will use this particular option, use first row as header. Now, my headers are there in its right place. So now we will need to look for the data type. So if you will have a look here, ABC, like these are the text data type. But here plastic, if you will have a look here, these are some numerical values. And it is saying ABC means it is, as of now, assuming it's an alphanumeric value. So because some, like headers are also there. So before I change the data type, what I will do, I will need to remove these city region like this. So I will just expand it, and first of all I will need to untick the null values as well as this store name. I will hit OK. These are filtered out now. Okay. Now I will just change the data type from means whole number 1 2 3. Okay. Same goes for foods, liquid, other, and then I have, so these are the names. I will simply remove these two columns. These are not needed. And here it says Bangalore. So I will say city name. And so city, we have city already here as well. So this is also not needed. Just remove it. Now we have cleaned our data, and we can just say close and load. Now this query is running and my data will soon, get loaded here. So this is the data. If you will just simply apply a filter here, now you can see Bangalore, Chandigarh, Dehradun and Gurgaon. If I want to see the data for Bangalore only, so this is the data for Bangalore. If I want to see the data for Dehradun, this is the data for Dehradun, like this. And I would like to showcase that particular folder where those files are lying. So these are the files. If I open any of the file, so Chandigarh, so these are the, headers and it is containing 48 row count. Let me just apply my filter on Chandigarh. So if you will have a look, okay, so it has 46 row count because some store names are missing from here. That is why two store names are missing. That is why it has not given me. If you will remember, then I have, unchecked the null values from there. That is why these two values are not there. Okay. So I am just closing it. By using this method, you can compile the data from different, multiple files into a one, and you do not need to write any VBA coding. I hope you have liked this video. If you think you have learned something new from this video, then please like and subscribe to my channel. As of now, I am signing off. Bye bye. Take care and Jai Hind.